This exercise is for the lower back. This is a great exercise for lower back. If you have any back pains or back problems, this will help strengthen all those muscles. I should point out that most people with lower back pain actually need to strengthen their abs more than their back, but it's a good idea to work both sides at the same time. You'll be on your hands and knees. All you're doing is raising one hand up, straight out like you're a pointer dog. That's what we call these, is pointer dogs, or bird dogs. And then you kick out the opposite foot from your hand. And that's it. Do about 10 reps, switch sides, do the other side. If you want to take that up a notch, take something light, a light weight. We always use something light because it's not about lifting the weight, it's about changing the balance. So just do the same motion. Your core has to work harder to maintain the balance for that extra weight. Do about 10 reps, switch sides, and do the 10 reps on the other side. That's the bird dog.